Here's how to install ChatGPT as a desktop app on your PC or laptop. Open Google Chrome and go to chat.com. Log in if you have an account or create a free one. Once on the main chat page, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Save and Share, then click Install ChatGPT. Click Install to confirm. ChatGPT will install as a progressive web app. It gets its own window separate from your browser with a taskbar icon and behaves like a native desktop application. It's faster to access than opening a browser tab and stays focused without mixing with your other browsing. If the desktop icon does not appear after installation, right-click the ChatGPT window, go to More Tools, and click Create Shortcut. Check Open as Window and click Create. The icon will now appear on your desktop and in your taskbar for instant one-click access. A tip: this method works in Chrome and Edge. Edge users can do the same thing through its Apps menu. The installed app updates automatically alongside the web version, so you always have the latest ChatGPT without reinstalling anything. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.